Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start new numbering list in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Microsoft Word document. Then we create a number list. Now we see this number list 1 to 6. Now we create new number list in 4. Then select the 4 number. Then click right button on your mouse. Now we see many options here. Now we click restart at 1. Our new number list added. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.